quarter to a half a mile east of the Kings Park train station here in the Port Jefferson Branch. We're at the Lawrence Road crossing. Today is Thursday, October 12, 2023. Unit C train 660, running with DM30AC, 504 leading, 506 on the rear with 8. And probably one of the last nights, if not another week or two before, at this point, it's going to be almost dark at this time. The sunset is about 6:15, 6:16-ish or so. And 660 with DM30AC 504 leading is one of the DM30ACs with the K5 LLA chime. Matter of fact, the other 8-car boom running tonight, going to Spion Train 42, is also running with a K5 LLA chime unit leading in 521, running with 521, 522, and 8. 660 running about 4 minutes late tonight. Scheduled to arrive Kings Park at 6:09. And again, 4 minutes late out of Huntington prior. It should get here about 6:13-ish or so. Alright, time now 6:13 as 660's just departing Kings Park Station and about to proceed right past this crossing here at Lawrence Road. And you can hear the K5 LLA chime of the M30AC 504. C 506 on the rear for train 660. Next stop, Smithtown.